This morning, before the world asks anything of me, I'm pausing. My grandmother's birthday was January 18th, and even though that day passed quietly, my body felt it. She died on December 1st, 2021. Before that, I spent my entire Thanksgiving break with her in bed. We watched her favorite shows. I stayed close. I wanted her to feel the same love and safety she gave me my entire life. I held her tightly. I listened to every breath. I honored every request. I needed her to know that I would not leave her side. When the break ended, I had to return to work, and she chose to pass after I had left. The next morning, I raced back to the house. I needed to hold her one last time. I refused to let anyone take her away before I saw her. I needed her to know, even then, that I was there. I stayed until her body was moved with dignity, with gentleness, with respect. I did not leave until she was safely driven away, because she had been my protector, my foundation, my safe place in the world, and losing her changed everything. Grief like that doesn't fade. It settles into the bones. It shows up as loneliness, as exhaustion, as the quiet ache of realizing there is no one left who remembers you before the world made you strong. And my grandfather is still here. He's 99 years old. Every time I hear his voice, I feel gratitude and a quiet fear I don't always name. Loving someone at this age is a kind of waiting, not the kind you rush, but the kind that asks you to stay present while your heart races. He is the last of my protectors, the last person who knew my world before survival became my language. And knowing that changes how the world feels. Some of the loneliness I carry now isn't only about who I've lost. It's about knowing who I will lose. This kind of grief doesn't scream. It hums. It makes the world feel less angered, even on good days. Losing your protectors doesn't just break your heart. It changes how safe the world feels. Some days, I'm not grieving death. I'm grieving the absence of being held, and then I pull back. When I say I can't, when I choose quiet over showing up, it's not because I don't care. It's because carrying this much love and loss requires gentleness. This morning, I honor that grief. I don't rush it. I don't explain it away. I let myself remember that loving deeply doesn't disappear when someone dies. It becomes something I carry. And if you're listening and missing the people who made you feel safe, if you're learning how to stand without the foundation you once had, you're not alone. You are faithful to love. This morning, I move gently with my memories, with my heart, with myself.